We did not lose this election. We won this election. It is in the imaginary of ZANU-PF that they have won it.
Proving that in court, though, is going to be difficult. The Movement for Democratic Change is compiling what it says is a catalogue of evidence and plans to go to the Constitutional Court before Friday. But Morgan Changirai says the MDC will not get a fair hearing.
Those courts, with all due respect, were appointed unconstitutionally. They were appointed prior to the election, some even 4 days prior to the election. Why would somebody appoint a court before the election? And we will go to those courts, but we know the extent how they have been compromised.
Some civil rights groups agree, but they also note Robert Mugabe took 61% of the vote to Changirai's 34%, a huge margin, and proving it was all down to cheating is a tall order.
What is going to be more difficult is proving that the robbery actually took place and how it took place. I'm not sure if the MDC is in possession of that, and I'm certain that ZANU-PF, if indeed it is guilty of electoral malpractice, that they will readily volunteer evidence or leave evidence lying around to be found.
The assessment of African observers also may have damaged the MDC's chance. The African Union has signaled it believes the poll to have been credible. The Southern African Development Community, SADC, says it's withholding judgment, though it says the vote was free and peaceful. As for Mugabe's ZANU-PF party, it has dismissed the allegations of a fraud as a smear campaign. It has welcomed the MDC's decision to go to court as a wise one. Well, the Constitutional Court will have 14 days to make a ruling, and however slim the MDC's chances of victory, it may still reveal damaging evidence enough to fuel doubts and tensions around these elections. Jin Keo, CCTV, Harare, Zimbabwe.